Hello, fourth graders. It's Mrs. Fernandi here, ready for a second week of spelling. This is the beginning of lesson 2. If you have your writing notebook and a pencil ready to go for a little bit later in the video, that would be fabulous. So today we're going to talk about doubling consonants and when we need to double consonants. So the first thing I'm going to do is share the PowerPoint that I've been working on for this week. And here we have doubling with a single syllable word. So there's a series of rules and they're so simple. Don't let this get you worried, because you just ask yourself a few questions. So if the base word, that's the little word that we begin with, has one syllable, has one vowel, and has one consonant after the vowel, then, oh yes, and the suffix begins with a vowel. That's important, but that part will be really, really clear though. Then we double the last consonant. So for example, this little Smurf here is holding the word stop. So we have the word stop. Stop has one syllable, stop. How many vowels does it have? One vowel, ah, the short O sound. Does it have one consonant after that vowel? Yes, it does. So now we're going to double the consonant. So we're going to make two P's. We're going to make a second P. Write a second P. Stopped. And then we're going to add the ED. That suffix begins with a vowel. It begins with the letter E. So the suffix ed begins with the letter E. So we've taken this one syllable word with one vowel and one consonant after the vowel. And we know the suffix starts with a vowel. So we're going to double the consonant to P and then add on the ending. It's pretty simple, really. All right, and the same thing with stopping. We've done the same thing. We've doubled the P and added on ing. I is a vowel. That's what the ending started with, an I, another vowel. So let's do a couple more examples. All right, rip. Does it have one syllable? Yes. One vowel? Yes, the short I sound. One consonant after the vowel? Yes. So our answer is we're going to double the P and add the ing. Or we could add the ed. Either one begin with a vowel. Hop, same thing. One syllable, one vowel, one consonant following that vowel. We're going to double it before we add the ed or the ing. Red, we've got one syllable, red. We've got one vowel. We've got one consonant after the vowel. If we want to talk about this reddish sky, ish starts with the letter I, which is a vowel. So we're going to have to double the D, reddish, this beautiful reddish sky at sunrise. We have sad. Sad has one syllable, one vowel, one consonant following that vowel. And we're going to add the ending N, E-N. That starts with a vowel. So we're going to have to double, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot that I did and not N. We could do sadden or we could do sadder. And both of those, the suffix starts with an E. So it all fits our rules. Our rules are pretty straightforward. Same with flat. We have one syllable, we have one vowel, and we have one consonant following the vowel. We're going to double that consonant to be flatten. There it is. E is also a vowel. So we'll double the consonant T and add EN. Pretty great, pretty easy, huh? Okay, here are this week's words. Let's go through these. I'm just gonna move myself. All right, dropped. I accidentally dropped the dish. The base word is drop. The P was doubled because we have drop, one syllable. O is the vowel, P is the consonant after the vowel, ED is the ending. Double the P, add ED. Letting. Our teacher is letting us work together. Let is the base word. It has one syllable, one vowel, one consonant after the syllable, and we're adding the ing, which starts with a vowel I. So we're going to double that T. Cutting. They were cutting up some paper for a collage. Cut is a one syllable word with one vowel and one consonant following the vowel, and we're going to add the ing, which starts with a vowel. It's the base word cut. Was it doubled? Yes, cutting. We're going to double the T. Scrubbed. Here's the doctor. She scrubbed her hands. Scrub is a one syllable word. It's got one vowel, one consonant following the vowel. We don't care how many consonants become before. SCR doesn't matter. It's only that we see one consonant after the vowel, which is the B. So we have to double the B and then add ED. Quitting, that we will be quitting the game when it gets dark. Again, we've got quit, one syllable word. We have a vowel in the middle. Well, this is interesting. The U is attached to the Q. It makes the Q sound. It is the vowel sound. T is the consonant after the vowel. Ing is the ending. It starts with an I. We're going to double the T and add ing. Good. All right, here's another set of words. This is the second part of the words. You'll have these words to study. Oops, what have I done? Okay, sorry about that. So setting, I was setting the dishes on the table. What's the base word? Set. Do we double it? Yeah, one syllable, one vowel, one consonant following the vowel. The ending starts in a vowel, ing. Mixed, we mixed several colors to get the right one. Now, notice that X is an exception to this rule. We are never going to double the letter X. That simply doesn't happen in the English language. So this actually breaks the rule because we have one syllable mix, one syllable word mix, one short vowel it, one consonant following that, which is the X. We're not going to double it because X never gets doubled. Dressed. My little sister dressed her dolls. The S here is already doubled. The word dress has two S's in it. So it has two consonants after the vowel, so it doesn't follow our rule. We just add the ED. Can't. Now we have some words that are frequently misspelled. We can't walk against the red light. It's a contraction of the compound word cannot. So we take the apostrophe takes the place of the second N and the O. C-A-N apostrophe T. So we get rid of the N, we get rid of the O, we put the apostrophe there and we get can't. Don't. I don't often get to stay up late. Don't is also a contraction. This time it's a contraction of the words do not. We're going to put those together. The apostrophe takes the place of the O in the word not in the second word. Last set, there are 5 more. Won't. My dad won't let me stay up late on school nights. Frequently misspelled. Contraction of the words will not. This is the most interesting contraction that we have because we don't use will at all. We have the W, we have O-N apostrophe T. That's when you're just going to have to do that strategy of looking at the word, saying the word, spelling the word, covering it up, spelling it again, checking yourself. Won't. That's a tricky one. Wanted. Now, I wanted a book for my birthday. What part of the doubling rule doesn't work here? We have a one-syllable word. We have a short vowel sound. But do we have only one consonant after that vowel? No, we have 2 consonants, N and T. So we cannot double. It breaks that rule. Touch. The material is soft to the touch. Why do you think this is a frequently misspelled word? The OU says a schwa sound. We'll talk about schwas again later, instead of the ow sound that OU typically makes. Though she went for a walk, even though it was raining. That is definitely something I would do. THOUGH. That is a really unusual spelling. Do a lot of the practice with that one. Clue. This detective needs one more clue to solve the case. Clue is frequently misspelled, so we just need to learn that again. C-L-U-E. Say it, spell it, cover it, write it, check it. Clue. All right. So I'm going to stop the share. I'm going to give a new share here. We're going to go to the whiteboard, so take out your paper. We are going to write just a few words just to practice this doubling thing and to practice with a couple of the words that are a little bit challenging to spell. Okay, are you ready? The first word is stopped. The police officer stopped my dad because he was driving too fast. Stop, there's our word. Double the P, add ED. ED starts with a vowel. We're going to double the P and add the suffix. The next word is letting. Our teacher is letting us work together. We have the base word, let. We know it's a one syllable word with one vowel and one consonant following the vowel, and it's going to end in ing. So we're going to double the T and add ing. Nice work. Okay, mixed. Now this is a tricky one. Mix as the base word. Mix has one syllable, one vowel, but it has an X as the only consonant. And remember, we can never double the letter X. Okay, how about, no, let's not do that one. Scrub. Do you remember the doctor? She scrubbed. So here's our base word, scrub. I can hear all three of that. So long consonant blend. Is the short U sound. The cat is under the chair. B. That's a one syllable word, one vowel, one consonant following the vowel. We're going to double the vowel and then add double the consonant and add ed. Let's do one more. Let's do quitting. We are quitting this game when it gets dark. So we have the qu sound. And in English, we always have Q with U following it. So there's our qu. It quit. One syllable word, has that one vowel sound, it has a T, a consonant following that. Double that T and add ing. Very nicely done. All right, let's stop right there. So that's it for today. Please practice those words. Please look at your list of words. Remember the strategies of say the word out loud to yourself, whisper the word if you want to, write the word, cover the word, spell it again, check yourself and spell it again, and make sure you did it right. Okay, great. Thank you for being with me. I will see you soon again. Take care.